Good evening, welcome to the Mint Market Wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavai Barbora and I'm going to give you the wrap on today's market. Markets traded in a thin range and gained ground as the expectations of government pushing through reforms gained ground. And the BSE Sensex finally ended up around 61 points at 16,967. The Nifty ended around 21 points higher at 5142. Broader markets were also more or less in line, but there was a lot of sector-specific activity. The BSE Metals Index was the biggest gainer at around 1.55%. The BSE Power Index gained around 1.03%, and BSE IT Index was up around 0.94%. Some of this activity is because of the current month futures and options expiry due tomorrow. However, the power sector stocks gained on news that in New Delhi the increased prices may be effective from July 1st. Among large caps, Tata Power gained around 2.25%, Reliance Power gained around 1.67%, and among other stocks, JSW Energy was up around 6.44%. The BSE Power Index has actually gained around 5.4% so far in June. Kingfisher Airlines stock had a bad day. The stock fell around 8% in trade today as reports suggested that lessors had taken back around 32 aircrafts, citing rent defaults as the reason. As Prime Minister Manmohan Singh is going to assume temporary responsibility in the Finance Ministry, there is hope that the much needed reforms will get pushed through. And infrastructure stocks rallied on this news in the first half of trade, but turned around most of those gains. BHEL, which was up more than 1%, finally ended around 0.55% higher in trade today. L&T also, which was up around 1% in intraday trade, finally ended around 0.11% lower. Tata Motors stock lost around 3% in trade as reports suggest that the luxury car market may suffer going forward. The Indian rupee, which traded well in intraday and moved up below the 57 per dollar mark, again lost ground and finally ended the day at 57.13 per dollar. Stay tuned now for the market wrap tomorrow to know about what happens in expiry. That's all from me now. Thanks.